Hello, hello, Holly here. Just wanted to make a quick video on what to do when you get a signal. I think sometimes people aren't clear if you should just exit straight away when you get a signal or what exactly you're supposed to do. So if you get a signal in Telegram, I'll pull up Telegram here. So if you get a signal in Telegram, we got one at 2:51 this afternoon. So essentially what you do is you click this link, okay? And the sooner the better. So if you get it at 2:51, you really want to get in there straight away. I'd say 10 to 15 minutes on either, like 10 to 15 minutes is probably your max to wait. Otherwise, I wouldn't bother with the trade. So once you click the signal, it takes you to this page. It actually usually takes you, just to be clear, to this page. And then you click live signals. And this is for live signals, by the way. So once we go in, I'm using Binance to trade, so I'm just looking at this right now. And I've got a live signal that told me and it's now 3:10, so this is outdated, but it told me at 2:51 to exit Bitcoin at $6,625. So if we go into Binance and we go into the basic exchange here, now this is on the computer, it looks different on your phone. But it's relatively easy to look at. So if we go in, what we do is we go down here and we put in 6625 because we're going to sell BTC at 6625 and the amount we're going to sell is 100% of our BTC. Now it says 0 here right now because I've already done the trade, but however much BTC you have in there, it will put in there. You don't have to sell all of it. You can sell as much as you want, but if that makes any sense, that's what you do there. And then you click sell BTC. Once you click sell BTC, if you want to see where it is and what's happening, you can go here to open orders. And here it will tell you if your trade has happened. So we set the price at 6625. The trade hasn't happened yet. So we're just waiting for the price of Bitcoin to hit this threshold. When it does, then Bitcoin will sell. And that's how you do a trade with a signal. Now, if we got a signal that said to sell or to buy, we would just simply go to buy BTC and put in the price that it says to buy. So say it says to buy at, I don't know, 6,000, right? Put in that price and then click however much BTC we want, or you can type in the amount, click buy BTC, and then it will buy BTC at that price from the US tether that you have in your account. So I hope that makes sense. If it does, let me know. If it doesn't, let me know. If you're watching this on YouTube and you want some more information on what all of this is, let me know. You'll have to click, if you're on your phone, on the upside down triangle and you can click the link. Where I'm getting these signals is Unify. It's an amazing company that gives us live signals on how to trade our Bitcoin to earn more Bitcoin with the Bitcoin that we already have. It's amazing, it's incredible, and you can really earn a lot of Bitcoin by following these signals. So if you want to learn more information on that, click the link below and you will have more information. Right? Wishing you guys much love and prosperity, and speak to you soon.